What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kelly Builds. Here I am restoring a BMW 2002, and like I was saying in the last video, I am now working alongside with Eastwood, and they sent me a super cool welder. So it was really a shock to me to receive it and to work with them. I'm super excited. I'm super grateful. So I'm going to show you guys the welder and just show you guys a little bit. I'm not going to do like a huge thing about it because I feel like most people probably know like the ins and outs of the welders, or of the welders, of a welder. If you don't, you can let me know in the comments and I could show you guys a little bit more deep. But I wasn't gonna do an intro to this video because I did an intro when I got the packages in, but I just wanted to say thank you if you watched my previous video about ripping the sound deadening out of my floors. I was just greeted with a lot of like support from people, and when I post online, I feel like it's kind of a crapshoot if I'm gonna get people like down my throat that I'm doing stuff wrong. And my husband has a YouTube channel, and whenever I'm in his channel, I get a lot of like, stay in the kitchen, like go in the house, like stuff like that. And as a stay-at-home mom, this is just for me. This car project is for me. It's the car that I chose. It's the car that I love. So having all that positivity was just really like shocking almost, because a woman trying to do this stuff, again, it can be kind of a crapshoot what you're met with. But I just wanted to say thank you before I got into it. So I'm going to move some stuff around in the shop, and then I'll show you guys when I got the stuff, and then I'll show you guys the weld. Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to start off by saying this happened. I'm super excited that I am now working with Eastwood. It's kind of something I didn't expect to happen so soon. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful for this opportunity to work with them. Very exciting for me and my family, and we're just really happy and excited and grateful that Eastwood is on board with me here. So I figured we will start off this video by doing a little unboxing and kind of just seeing what we've got inside. I kind of know what is inside, but it's still exciting to see, and to see if there's some stuff in here that I'm not aware of, and just kind of check it out and see what we're working with here. Start off strong. What is it, just a box in here? The clip?
No, you're in it.
Let's start off with woo-woo! A little banner. Cute. Look at, I'm gonna have banners for days.
We need to get it now. Maybe because we need a room.
Boom. Oh, I forgot that was right behind me. Holy shit, this is so heavy. Wire.
2 pounds cool. That's what she loved. 23.
Extra large.
View.
These are very hot. I was gonna say, it's very light. What is it? Not a helmet, just a...
It is.
It's very light. Is yours this light?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need a...
They're all plastic.
Why does yours feel so heavy? I put yours on one time and it felt...
No. You don't want something that's like 20 pounds on your head.
Holy shit.
Damn, high gloss too.
Fancy. You gotta take the protective film off the front. It's a little foggy.
Well, I can do that at a later date. I don't want to do anything yet. I don't want to do anything right now.
Put it on your head.
My big head.
You can loosen it. Look at her. Booby bop, I am a robot.
Maybe we'll put everything back in the box now. Be a little
This
more
one, yeah.
organized. Hey guys. So yeah, just unboxing some of the stuff. We got the helmet. I've got all the welding stuff coming together. This is so exciting. I'm just so grateful and excited. Thank you so much, Eastwood. I mean, hot dog, right?
Yep, regulator.
Should I just leave it in there? Wowee. All right. So this is the welder. How do I go through the white part?
You might be able to cut it with that. You might also have to scissor it.
How do I get bigger?
Scissors? Yeah, this is what's gonna make the money.
I know, but I feel like they mostly want it. Instagram. You all right?
Yeah.
Staple.
No. Piece. Come on, you went to the gym once?
I went to the gym a lot. But now we're poor, so I can't go to the gym.
You gotta pull up.
Yeah, I fucking know.
You're pulling at an angle. You got it? Okay, good to drop.
Woo!
Maybe.
Weak pitch over here.
Oh yeah. Take its skirt off. I mean, take the dress off.
Yeah, that one's much more appropriate.
Sick. Baby's first welder. That's not Travis's.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. So the welder is all set up now, thanks to, well,
Not all set up.
not all set up, but
Almost there.
Almost there. Thank you to Travis, professional welder extraordinaire over here. So it was very simple to set up. Good little size. And I'm super excited to, yeah, to get going on this. Cool. So here it is. Like I said, I'm not going to do anything like, I'm not going to weld with it today, but just wanted to show you guys. I could put it in, I guess, but super nice. The little cart. We got that all set up. You'll see, or you probably already saw it when I did the unboxing. I gifted this too, which I've been borrowing, either my husband's or he has an apprentice. So it's nice. Look at how dirty. So it's nice that I have my own because he has his and I have mine. So with his, it's just TIG, but this has the MIG and the TIG, which is great. I'm not great at TIG, but now that I have my own welder, I can kind of practice whenever I want, which is great. So I've just been doing the MIG. I don't know if you can see. Not sure if it's focusing. But yeah. I have no idea if those are focusing, but you get it. Practicing to get used to the machine because I'm used to the TIG and I'm used to sucking at the TIG, honestly. So with MIG, how it will just shoot out, it's a lot easier to kind of control what you're doing, whereas obviously with the TIG, you need that two-hand dexterity, which I'm just not there yet. So now that I have my own, I can kind of just crank on it whenever I want and practice and stuff like that. I wanted to practice with this machine before I took it out on my car, obviously, because, you know, if I'm doing something, I want it to look, as I almost whack myself, I want it to look good. So I also figured if you have not seen the floor video, I will just take you guys outside and I'll show you the floors. And let me see. So yes, I am gonna just take you guys outside. I'll show you the floors. These are what I've been looking up. I'm honestly not even sure if you guys can see because I'm not great with the GoPro, but it's the complete floor pans. I'm gonna do both sides, one on either side. So it'll be nice to use my welder on my car, like all my own stuff, which is great and exciting. And I'm just excited. So I'll take you guys outside for a second. I think this should be unlocked. And I'll show you, if you've never seen the floors, again, I'll post that video below so you can kind of see what's up. But, so I'll bring you in. So I will be taking these out. I'm not gonna do anything crazy again because I had that video already. Floors are shot, which is fine. I'm honestly kind of excited now. I'm not excited at this. Who would be excited about that? Because like, could literally put my foot through both of these pretty much. But it'll be fun. It'll be exciting to take this out, put a new one in with my new welder. And yeah, it will just look so much better. I still have a lot to do, obviously, to get it running. Oh shit, that would help. But I mean, Rome wasn't built in a day, right? That's it for this video. Just something quick. Again, huge thank you to everyone who supported my last video. I was really happy about that. A lot of kind, happy, supportive people, and I feel like that's what it's all about, you know? If somebody does something that you don't like, who cares? Keep the train moving. Or if you have an idea for someone or you know where to buy something, like just share it with people. Everyone has different tastes. Nobody's things are gonna be the same. I've just been met with that on my husband's channel. People on Instagram can be rude, but whatever. I'm rambling again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And just one more time, big shout out to Eastwood. Thank you guys so much. I'm so excited and thankful and grateful, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one.